Hey everybody, Mike Piero here in my studio. Loopy. Made a video yesterday about cutting some straps. Today I'm gonna take those straps and make them into finished product belts. So what I want to go over today will be the cutting, the tipping, the keepers. I tried to get everything in order so it would be as quick as video as I can without screwing too much up or anything up at all. Should just have to punch a couple holes, but I'm going to walk you kind of through how I get to my finished product. Like I said, yesterday we cut the straps, so I had some blank straps. Here's a blank strap. Nice Latigo, looks really nice. So what I do here is I find where I want to kind of put a tip at the end. You want to start at one end or the other. With this, I'm going to use a little more of this is a 10 to 12 ounce leather. It looks like this is a little, this is the 10 ounce little side. And I want to say this other side is a little thicker. So with me, I want to put the buckle on this 10 ounce side. Gives me a little leeway, a little more flexibility on the keeper side and the buckle side itself. So with that, got a strap cutter, 1.5 inches. This thing's a pretty cool tool. Set it up, find the spot that I want to put my template on after my cut. So I got this all lined up, really straight. Whack that end off. Got a nice finished end. With that finished end, I have a template that I built quite a few years ago, but it basically tells me where the buckles go, where the holes go, on specifically 1.5 inch belts. It's a little bit different on 1.25 inch, but this is strictly for my 1.5 inch belts. I put this template on. Just line it up at the end. Grab my awl, little punch. Mark my holes. Holes are marked. With that, I do take maybe a little bit off of the end here as far as thickness wise. I got a little splicer that I'll splice this down with, and with that I'll punch these holes first. So here's my center hole for the buckle, called the tongue. That's my center. And then I'll punch my holes for my rivets. I use screw-in rivets on all my belts. Unless people ask for something different, but I really like them. I like the solidness of them. And I like the fact that you can interchange buckles with your belt. So if you had a trophy buckle or something a little different than the standard roller buckles that I put out with these guys, then you know, you can interchange that, just unscrew the rivets. But with that, here's my holes. I'm going to go down to my little splicer down here. This tool is awesome. And this just shaves a little bit off the inside of the belt. Not much, but just enough to give me a nice fold when I put that buckle in there. With that, here's the buckle. Slide it through that little slit. Everything looks sweet. I beveled all these sides down with a nice little edge beveler. I got rivets and everything set up for me right now. So I got these rivets. Put that in. Front rivet. Screw that in. Not too snug just yet because I got these keepers that I build that where are you at? I build them out of the scraps. I stitch each one of them. So there's a little bit of stitching in each one of these belts. You don't ever see it, but it's there. Slide this keeper on. Tuck that in there. Take my back rivet. Set that. Screw that in. This might be the fastest belt I've ever made. Everything's falling together, all right? Better be quiet. But so there's your buckle. There's your keeper. There's your rivets. So the end here, I'm gonna take my little end tipper that we used earlier. And whack this end up. Maybe this thing will fly like they all do. Let's check it out. Yeah, you see that little boop? So anyway, there's the end. There's the buckle. Minus some holes. I'm going to leave the holes out until somebody comes in and we set some holes for, and then it slides right through. Super nice, super easy, really quick. Whoop. Does require a bit of some of these specialty tools, but once you get going, it's nice. It keeps going. So, anywho, thanks for watching my video. Enjoy your day. Love you.